Bonsai 27B, a 27 billion parameter model squeezed down to under 6 gigabytes. Using 1-bit and ternary weights, PrismML says this brings reasoning, tool use, and vision to phones and laptops under an Apache 2.0 license. The starting point is Qwen 3.6 at 27 billion parameters. In full precision, that model needs about 54 gigabytes of memory. Bonsai compresses every part of it: the embeddings, the attention layers, the language model head, down to 1-bit or ternary weights, with no higher precision escape hatch anywhere in the network. There are 2 real-world variants. Ternary Bonsai uses 3 possible weight values at just under 2 bits per weight for a 5.9 gigabyte model built for laptops. 1-bit Bonsai goes further at about 1.1 bits per weight for a 3.9 gigabyte model, small enough for an iPhone 17 Pro. I'll compare that to the original at around 54 gigabytes in full precision. PrismML published retention numbers across 15 benchmarks. Math barely moves: 93.4 for ternary, 91.7 for 1-bit against a baseline of 95.3. Agentic and tool calling drops the most, down to 74 and 66. Worth watching if you chain many steps together. Vision falls to 65.2 and 59.6, since the Vision Tower itself runs in a compact 4-bit format. Why does on-device size matter for agents? In a cloud-only setup, every single step is a network round trip, and cost stacks up with each one. Run Bonsai locally, and a 100-step agent loop costs only marginal compute, plus your files and your screen never have to leave the device. Speed holds up well on real hardware. On an NVIDIA RTX 5090, the 1-bit build reaches up to 163 tokens per second. On an Apple M5 Max, up to 87 tokens per second. On an iPhone 17 Pro Max, PrismML reports about 11 interactive tokens per second, though the larger ternary build 7.2 gigabytes will not fit a typical phone's memory budget. Getting started depends on your hardware. On Apple devices, Bonsai runs through MLX with a swift fork for on-device iOS apps. On NVIDIA hardware, it runs through CUDA with custom low-bit kernels. Both builds are on Hugging Face under Apache 2.0, and there is a limited time free developer preview of the API. I'm going to create more videos similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.